video is about basic substitution. It's for total beginners, so don't panic. I'll do it step by step. One thing I need you to understand about substitution, it literally is swapping a number for a letter. So don't make it more complicated than it is. It's literally swapping a number for a letter. So this is a basic example here. Find the value of 3a when a equals 5. So that's our a, and that's the 5. It's as simple as that. 3a is the same as we know, it's stuck together. When the letter and the number are stuck together like that, any number, any letter, when it's stuck together, it means it's multiplication. So it's the same as 3 times a. So all you're doing is subbing in that a, which is 5. 3 times 5 equals 15. So here's 3 options. We've got a equals 4, b equals 7, and c equals 3. Now, as we know, 7b, 7 stuck to that b, so it's a multiplication. So 7 times b. What's b? That's a 7. So 7 times 7 is equal to 49. Done. Next one, b. b is 7 plus 12 is 19. Done. So how easy it is. 9 plus c, and c is 3. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 12 minus a, well, a is 4. So it's going to be 12 subtract 4, which is 8. This is a divide, a fraction, it's a divide. So we're going to do 24 divided by a, which is 4. And our answer is 6. And then finally, 5a, which we know is 5 times whatever a is, and a is 4, plus 2 equals, that's 20, plus 2. So the answer is 22. Now, how blooming easy is that? That is super easy. Might not have gathered it all quite yet, but keep going back to it and you will understand it. As I say, I encourage you guys to write it out in a separate book at home, like a revision book. So you can refer back to it when you have your mock exams. Well, any exams really. So, work out the value of the expressions d equals 5, e equals 8, f equals -3, and g equals -4. So here we've got 4 different options, but it doesn't matter because we know you're just replacing, i.e. substituting, your letter for the number. So I'm just going to put there that substitution is just meaning to replace. So we have 6e, which we know is a times. So 6 times what's e, which is 8, minus 7. So 6 times 8 is 48. Minus 7. So the answer is 41. How easy was that? Next one equals 4 times what's d? 5. Minus a, which is 8. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 minus 8. And the answer is 12. Next one. 9a is 8. 9 times 8 plus G. Now G is -4. So I'm just going to whack that in a bracket just to separate it. You don't have to, but I'd recommend it. 9 times 8 is 72. Now we know our plus and minus rules, don't we? A plus and a minus is a negative. Remember, plus and a minus equals a negative and the minus. So it's -4. So our answer is 68. Next, we have 7 times D, which is 5. Subtract F, which is -3. Once again, I'm going to put that in there. Now, if you remember the rule, a negative and a negative equals a plus. So we're going to have 7 times 5, which is 35. Minus and a minus is a +3. So our answer is 38. And we got this one, 2DE. Well, it's just the same. It's just multiplication. So it's 2 times D. What's D? 5. 2 times D times E. E is 8. 2 times 5, 10. Times 8. So the answer is simply 80. So take it in steps. You don't have to look at it and go 2 times 5 times 8. What's that? Just break it down. So 2 times 5 is 10. 10 times 8 is 80. Next one, we have 8 times, what's F? -3. Minus 2 times D, which is 5. Remember, separate it, break it down. 8 times 3 is 24. It's a negative, so it's -24. Minus 2 times 5, which is -10. Now remember, a -24 minus 10, to think about it on the number line, it's going down. So the answer is -34. This here should be a squared number, so it should be F squared minus D. So F is a -3 squared minus D, which is 5. Now remember, you can't have a negative squared number, so that is then going to be 3 squared, which is 3 times 3. Minus 5. Can't have a negative squared number. So the answer is 9 minus 5, which equals 4. So that's basic substitution or replacing it. The second one here has got a little bit more to it. Just practice, practice, practice. See you soon.